Yeah, I want to show you how the random person will just save automatically. Now, this person message me, I'm not even aware, I don't know the person, I'm not even on WhatsApp, but my data, even as much my data is on auto reply, auto save, everything will be working in the grab. So now look at this. This person messaged me, hello, good evening, boss. My auto reply said, good evening, how is your Monday going? He said, it is honor. So this one now tell them, okay, nice to have you here, blah blah blah. Can you please reply with your full name? So this person said, honor. So if I understand you correctly, your name is honor. Please reply yes or no. The guy said yes. So alright, honor, your contact has been saved. Can you see my calculate? When you are done, reply with saved. So I will save yours. Saved. Congratulations, your contact has been saved. You can see it's also honor here. So anything they call their name, even when they call their name Bala Blue, that's the name it will tell them. Like anything they call their name, that's what they save it with. So you simply request for their name and they get it. So it's very simple and it's amazing. I really love it. So it's going to work for you as well. I can set it up for you. I will go live with you on Google Meet and set it everything for you so that even one you will not be racking your brain on watching videos too. It's kind of technical. You will not understand if I send you just app and the coding aspect you grab. So I will make sure that I be the one to guide you on Google Meet, sharing your screen to me, and I will tell you, okay, do this one, you do this one, do this one. Within 30 minutes we are done. You grab. So it's going to work for you.